Hello, this is Ksenia with Rainbow Ranch Farms, and today I'm going to show you my little hoop tunnel that I put together out of 3 livestock panels. And I put some pinto beans that I pre-sprouted and a couple of grapevines, as well as multiple squashes along the perimeter to see if they will grow up onto the livestock panels and create one of those fruit or vegetable hanging fruit tunnels that I love so much when I see them on Pinterest, and they're so beautiful. So I thought I'd give it a good old-fashioned try. The pinto beans that I pre-sprouted have been in the ground for 3 days, and they're doing very well. I hope that they make it. I doubt they will all make it. The squashes are doing well. They were planted straight from seed, and that was it. Just stick the seed in the ground, and I didn't use compost. I didn't use anything except for the native alluvial soil that we have here. So this is what? There we go. I wanted to show you. I'm holding them together with hay twine. On this farm, I use the hay string for many things, and that's what I'm holding each panel together with. And these are 4 feet by 16 feet, and it is kind of dug down a little bit. I will have someone come and help me make little steps because I want to be able to get in and out easily. I will give you an update on what this looks like in another month or so. Thank you for joining me.